Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change our cabin air filter on this 2020 Hyundai Sonata. So it starts from 2020 or 2021 up. So from 2020 up, it's going to be the same procedure. So if your Sonata look like this, it's going to be the same procedure as well. So we need to get in the glove box, open the glove box like that. On the side over here, we can squeeze this right here. Okay, you can see it's like a hook, so squeeze that. Once you squeeze that, that will release from there. You want to squeeze one side of the glove box in, let it pass that right there. Do the same thing for this side. Come back over here. So kind of just work it down. It's because I'm holding the camera, I don't drop it already. Oh, so this one is kind of open. So there's a up on this one, there's an arrow pointing up to show you how to set the cover. So basically you gotta squeeze this side like this, pull it back and pull it out, because this hook back there, and this is the front part that you gotta squeeze like this, just like that. Pull this out. You can see it said airflow pointing down. Majority cars, I never see a car where the airflow go up. The airflow always come down. So make sure when you put your filter in, your airflow gonna be down, just like that. So get that out. You can see the dirt and stuff. So you want to match your filter, and I don't even have to take this one out the box, because this is the wrong filter. This is the wrong filter that I get, so I gotta reorder this one. You can see this one is really dirty, so I'm gonna go order it. Alright guys, so now we have the correct oil filter, part number right there. Take this out. So now we gotta look for the, which way the, airflow is, so we can see the airflow right here. These guys at work have me laughing, bro. I can't even make this video be serious. So there you go, this airflow pointing down, make sure it's pointing down. And then this, you want to hook it back over here. Once you hook back, push that till it locked in. This, you just lift it up. Once you do that, make sure you do that, and then lock this into place. Make sure it drops slow. Okay, so the damper is working. Make sure it closes properly. And that's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.